At SchoginiToys, we enrich young minds, a long-term investment in fun and educational activities for all ages, perfect for kids, ages 7 plus, 10 plus, 13 plus. This DIY kit is your all-in-one gateway to fun and learning. With 3 levels, play, learn and build, there is something for everyone. Dive into Python coding with our step-by-step tutorial videos for each activity. Stuck? Our AI chatbot is here to help, making coding a breeze. It's not just a toy. It's a long-term investment in your child's future. Even have your own portable message display device. Use your creativity to build a realistic-looking model, concealing the wires for a neat appearance. SchoginiToys, where fun meets the future. Order yours today.